Another common question that success coaches receive is, how can I get a job at Bunker Hill? Or will Bunker Hill help me find a job somewhere else? And that's a really great question. And the answer is yes. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate our Grad Leaders software, which is our job and internship posting site at Bunker Hill. This is where employers at Bunker Hill and outside post jobs specifically for Bunker Hill students like yourself because they know how great our students are and want to hire them. So on the BHCC webpage you see right here, we're going to click Student Life. And under Student Life, you'll see this link called Internships and Career Development. Go ahead and click that. This is the office that will help students who find internships, especially if it's part of your program of study. So definitely check out their office if you have any questions about finding an internship as part of your program of study. But today we're going to focus, as I said before, on Grad Leaders. So the link on the left right here. So we'll go ahead and click that. And you'll see on this page, there is some instructions and some helpful tips to get started, but I'm going to demonstrate you how you're going to start your account. So go ahead and click this link on the Getting Started. This will bring you to the BHCC, what we call the One Login page. Go ahead and enter the same login information you use for your email and self-service, and I'll meet you there. This will bring you to the BHCC One Login page, as I said before. I have a bunch of other tabs because I am a staff member, but we're going to focus on the Grad Leaders tab right here. So go ahead and click Grad Leaders. And once this loads, you'll see the registration page. So you're going to have to enter your contact information as well as information about your GPA and your major. So you'll see right here, contact information and completing your profile. There are some other questions that this website will ask you, but the required questions are your contact information as well as your GPA and major. If this is your first semester, I would estimate your GPA around maybe a 3.5 if you're doing well, but you will be able to find your GPA on your My Progress page if you are more than a semester here and you've already received grades. So go ahead and complete this registration. It should take about 5 or so minutes, and meet me on the next page. Once you've completed your profile, you'll see this page right here, and this is the Grad Leaders homepage. You'll see links to edit your profile, as well as any announcements that the school or the software has made. So what I want you to focus on, obviously you'll have your scorecard here as well in terms of your resume uploaded and to complete your profile, but it's really to focus on the new internship and job listing link, which is right in the middle of the page. So if you click that, it should bring you to a complete listing of the jobs that are posted on this website. So you'll see right here, I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit so we can see a little bit more of the text. They'll put the job title right at the top, as well as the company in smaller text right under it. And what I want you to notice is that there are different types of positions as well. So you'll see right here, this position type is part-time, which is really great if you're only looking for a job that's potentially 10 to 20 hours a week, so you can continue to be in school. You'll also see full-time positions, like this one right here. This is a position that's 40 hours a week, so if you are looking to continue taking classes, be very careful about applying to these positions since it may affect how often you can take classes and how fast you finish your program here. But there are full-time and part-time positions on this website. In addition, I'm going to take a look here. You'll see there's internship. This is a temporary or short-term position that we also offer on this website. It's a really great way to begin gaining experience in your field of interest. And that way, when you apply for full-time jobs, you'll be able to write that on your resume and be a stronger candidate. So this internship usually lasts about 3 to 6 months. And so this might be a good fit for you as well. Let's go ahead and click one of the job descriptions just so that we can take a look about what each one looks like. You'll see right here, they list tasks that you'll need to do. And you'll also see if the company provides that information, wage and salary, and how many hours a week. And that might be something, if they don't list it, you want to ask. We'll go ahead and see the contact information and the application deadline. And in order to apply, you can actually just use this form right here to apply directly to the position. So you'll see that it's pretty straightforward. And if we go back, let's look at one more. Let's go ahead and look at the medical assistant. Now, it's very important when you're looking for positions to keep in mind, one, your interests as well as your experience. So definitely keep in mind what you want to do in the future and see if it's related. You'll see right here, if you're interested in being a medical assistant, if you've completed the program, you'll be able to see that information here. Again, no wage and salary, but you definitely will want to ask them before you apply to the job. And you'll see right here, for this job description, you actually have to apply by their website here. So in general, this updates every day. And so depending on how intense you are in the job search, you might want to check this once a week to see if there are any jobs that are interesting to you, or you may want to look at this once a month if you're just trying to see if there's something better out there. And so usually there's also, this is where we post our Bunker Hill position. So if you're specifically looking for a job on campus, either as part-time or work study, this would be where we would post those positions. Unfortunately, there are none right now, otherwise I would show you. And this is also where if you would like to upload your resume, you can do that as well. So if you have any questions about this website, please go ahead and ask your success coach. Success coaches are also welcome to help you with your resume or your cover letter or your application process and help you refer to other experts in the field. So don't hesitate to reach out and happy searching.